Today, commercial aviation is one of the safest ways to travel. Yet every major safety rule, from cockpit communication to collision avoidance technology, was often written in the aftermath of unimaginable tragedy. In this documentary, we'll count down the 5 deadliest airplane disasters in history, excluding the September 11th terrorist attacks, exploring what happened, why it happened, and how each tragedy transformed aviation safety forever. This is not just a story about crashes. It's a story about the lessons written in the skies. Let's begin. Number 5. Air India Flight 182, June 23, 1985. Passengers from Canada, India, and the United Kingdom settle into their seats aboard Air India Flight 182. Many are traveling to reunite with family. Some are beginning vacations. Children laugh. Parents relax. Nobody knows that hidden deep inside the cargo hold, a bomb has already started counting down. Hours later, while flying over the Atlantic Ocean near Ireland, the aircraft suddenly disappears from radar. The explosion tears apart the Boeing 747 at over 31,000 feet. All 329 people on board lose their lives. It became one of the deadliest acts of aviation terrorism before the events of 9/11. The tragedy exposed major weaknesses in airport baggage screening and international intelligence sharing. In the years that followed, airports around the world introduced stricter baggage matching, improved explosive detection systems, and stronger international security cooperation. One terrible event reshaped global aviation security. Number 4. Turkish Airlines Flight 981, March 3, 1974. A modern aircraft, an experienced crew, perfect flying weather, everything appears normal. Minutes after takeoff from Paris, an enormous bang echoes through the aircraft. The cargo door suddenly blows off. Explosive decompression rips through the cabin. Critical control cables are destroyed. The pilots fight desperately, but they have almost no control left. The aircraft crashes into the Ermenonville forest in France. All 346 people on board were killed. Investigators discovered that the disaster wasn't caused by weather or pilot error. It was caused by a flawed cargo door design that had been identified before, but not fully corrected. The accident forced manufacturers worldwide to redesign cargo doors and strengthen aircraft certification requirements. One engineering flaw changed aircraft design forever. Number 3. Charkhi Dadri mid-air collision. November 12, 1996. The skies over northern India appear calm. One aircraft is climbing after departure. Another is descending toward the airport. Both crews believe they're exactly where they should be, but they aren't. Within seconds, 2 massive aircraft collide in midair. The explosion lights up the evening sky. Burning wreckage falls to the ground. No one survives. 349 people lose their lives, making it the deadliest midair collision in aviation history. Investigators conclude that altitude deviations and communication difficulties between pilots and air traffic control contributed to the disaster. The tragedy accelerated worldwide adoption of traffic collision avoidance systems, TCAS, standardized aviation phraseology, and improved pilot training. Today, TCAS has prevented countless potential collisions. Sometimes, aviation advances are written in lives saved because of lessons learned from lives lost. Number 2. Japan Airlines Flight 123, August 12, 1985. A domestic flight leaves Tokyo for Osaka. Just 12 minutes after takeoff, a loud explosion shakes the aircraft. Passengers panic. Oxygen masks fall. The crew quickly realizes something is terribly wrong. A previous repair to the aircraft's rear pressure bulkhead had failed. The explosion destroys nearly all hydraulic control systems. The pilots spend more than 30 minutes battling an aircraft they can barely steer. It becomes one of aviation's greatest demonstrations of courage. Despite extraordinary efforts, the Boeing 747 crashes into Mount Osutaka. Only 4 people survive. 520 people lost their lives, making it the deadliest single aircraft accident in history. The investigation transformed aircraft maintenance standards, inspection procedures, and repair certification around the world. Even today, Flight 123 remains a powerful reminder that small maintenance errors can have catastrophic consequences. Number 1. The Tenerife Airport Disaster, March 27, 1977. Two Boeing 747 jumbo jets are diverted to the small airport on Tenerife in Spain after a terrorist incident at another airport. The runway becomes overcrowded. Then, dense fog rolls in. Visibility drops to almost nothing. Air traffic controllers cannot clearly see the aircraft. Radio messages become confusing. One captain believes he has received takeoff clearance. He hasn't. As one Boeing accelerates down the runway, another is still taxiing directly ahead. The crews finally see each other. It's too late. The aircraft collide at incredible speed. Fire erupts across the runway. 583 people are killed. It remains the deadliest accident in aviation history. The disaster fundamentally changed aviation. After Tenerife, aviation authorities introduced standardized radio phraseology, mandatory cockpit resource management, CRM, stricter communication procedures, and improved runway safety systems. Many of the phrases pilots use today were shaped by the lessons learned from Tenerife. Every name on this list represents more than an accident. It represents families waiting at airports, children who never saw their parents again, friends who never got to say goodbye. But these tragedies also changed aviation forever. Today, commercial aviation carries billions of passengers each year, with an extraordinary level of safety, thanks in part to the hard lessons learned from these disasters. Investigations into communication failures, maintenance practices, aircraft design, and collision prevention have led to sweeping improvements across the industry. Every checklist, every maintenance inspection, every cockpit briefing, every collision warning system, every standardized radio call exists because investigators refuse to let these lives be forgotten. The safest era in aviation history was built on lessons learned from its darkest moments, and perhaps that's the greatest legacy these victims left behind. If you found this documentary informative, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more fact-based stories from history, science, and aviation. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next documentary.